Hi, I am Natale. Today I am very happy to introduce a new reference design, an industrial gateway, which we are showing here in this demo. We have invested a lot of effort here, and as a result we can now show you a smarter and more secure communication ready for the factory floor and between different automation islands. At the heart of this demo is our powerful multi-core microprocessor, the STM32MP2 that you can find on the development kit, which is the main board of the system. It's paired with our new expansion board, the X STM32MP IGTW1, that has just been released on st.com. The two enable protocol routing from the complex TSN or OPC UA to the field with ModBUS RTU or CANbus, allowing heterogeneous device communication. Security is covered by STSAFE A110, ensuring trusted authentication. And for visualization, we use the well-known Node-RED programming tool, giving you real-time monitoring and control from any device, including your phone. The most important thing to note is that this gateway doesn't just connect machines. It connects your entire factory to the cloud, thanks to the STMOD Plus extension from our new expansion board. It's scalable, secure, and ready for Industry 4.0. If you are a developer, this system is one of the smartest protocol handling reference design available on the market. And we have plans to include more Ethernet-based industrial protocols in different software packages. I am giving an extended discussion on industrial communication gateways for modern automation here at SPS, and will provide the link for you to access the recording. You can also check out the links to our developer resources for the STM32MP2 ecosystem with advanced tools, reference design, and an active developer community. So, for all the details on the expansion board, again check out st.com. And thanks for listening now, and until next time, ciao!